Forget trying to build a massive following just to earn a few commissions. Honestly, that path is exhausting. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a way to start making money with affiliate marketing today, even if you're a total beginner and have zero audience to begin with. This method is low risk, it taps into targeted search traffic, and it lets you skip the whole social media hamster wheel thing. No posting 3 times a day, no dancing on TikTok, and you don't need to create your own products or keep stock of anything. Hi, I'm Martin, and let me level with you for a moment. I spent 2 years trying to figure out how to make money online, properly figure it out. I bought every shiny course, tried drop shipping, tried building social media pages, chased views and likes and all those vanity metrics that look good on paper but don't pay your bills. And, yeah, I fell into shiny object syndrome big time. For all that effort, I made less than $50 a month. Imagine that. All that time, all that grinding, and I couldn't even cover my phone bill. It was frustrating and honestly quite embarrassing at the time. I used to think making money online meant you had to be some marketing genius or throw thousands into ads and hope something sticks. Turns out that wasn't true. Everything changed when I shifted to a low-risk approach that focuses on leveraging existing search traffic instead of trying to build a massive audience from scratch. Once I made that shift, I started earning passive commissions, literally while I was asleep. This video exists so you can avoid the same trial and error mess I went through and get on the right track faster. Right, so here's the big point. You don't need a giant audience to succeed with affiliate marketing. That's a myth people repeat because they see influencers doing it that way. But there is another way. I've broken this down into 3 simple steps anyone can follow. This method taps into something I call the search strategy. It uses the fact that there are over 250 billion searches happening on Google every single month. We're talking high-intent traffic for free. So the 3 steps are straightforward. Find a profitable niche and reliable traffic source. Create high-value content that ranks. Set up your affiliate links properly and stay compliant. Let's jump straight into step 1. Step 1. Finding your niche and reliable traffic source. You want to choose a niche where people are already buying things online. If you're passionate about something or you know a particular topic, well, start there. Your job isn't to reinvent the wheel. It's to add value and solve problems for people who are already searching for answers. Now, you might be thinking, yeah, but isn't my niche too competitive? Honestly, that fear held me back for ages. And here's what I discovered. Competition means there's money being spent. If you follow this method, you can absolutely get results even in competitive niches. There are people earning thousands in spaces that look too crowded. They're just doing it the clever way. So where does the reliable traffic come from? Not social media. Social posts are like fireworks. They look great for a second and then they vanish. With search, your content can sit there for months or years doing the work for you quietly in the background. That's real passive income. Here's the kicker though. Traditional blogs are getting harder to rank because AI can pump out text content in seconds. Google knows this, which is why they're actively pushing high-quality, user-generated video content instead. And because Google owns YouTube, one video can appear in both Google search and YouTube search. Twice the exposure, still free. So for me, YouTube is far and away the best free traffic source. It's a search engine for starters, not a social media platform. Secondly, your videos stay there forever. That will never happen with a social media platform like Facebook or TikTok. And thirdly, the people who watch your video are exactly the right people. Somebody who wants to know if such and such a dog collar is right for their dog is going to search for exactly that, and provided your video is on topic and informative, they'll watch. And if they like what they've seen, they'll click on your link and bingo! You just got a sale. Those people aren't going to randomly watch videos about, I don't know, how to make a knitted frog, are they? See what I mean? And did I mention? YouTube is free. That brings us to step 2. Step 2. Create high-value content that ranks. This is where we focus on what people are already searching for. Think product reviews, best of lists, top 5 comparisons. Stuff people look for when they're ready to buy. Examples could be best camping kettle, best beginner fishing pole. Those searches are done by people with wallets in hand. That's high-intent traffic. And if you're now wondering, do I have to show my face? Nope, not at all. You can make faceless videos, screen recordings, voiceovers, product demonstrations, and they still count as real user-generated content. YouTube loves that right now. The big challenge here isn't the technique, it's sticking with it. New people quit because they hop between business ideas every 2 weeks. Dropshipping 1 minute, crypto the next, Etsy, whatever's trending today. But if you commit to this method for even 6 to 12 months, you can build something genuinely sustainable. And hey, look, I know 6 to 12 months can sound like a long time in today's world where we all want something immediately. But understand this, you will see results far sooner than that if you stick with it. Probably not tomorrow, but maybe in a week or two. What you're unlikely to see is enough to quit your day job in that time span. But you're building an empire, and a reputation, and gaining a ton of experience. Plus, and this was a bonus I hadn't reckoned on when I started down this road, you'll make a boatload of great friends who'll help you. Marketing tends to be reciprocal. I still think of myself as a one-person business, which I am, but I've had countless people who've helped me. And vice versa, of course, not just with advice, but with actual marketing. There are win-win opportunities you can't possibly have when you start because you just don't have the connections. But that doesn't matter. Remember, even the most successful marketers were new once. The biggest difference between them and the also-rans is that they stayed in the game. Okay, let's move on to step 3. Step 3 is setting up the commission link and getting paid. This is the easy bit. Affiliate marketing means partnering with companies that already sell products. Joining their programs is always free. Just go to their site and apply for the affiliate program. The biggest one is Amazon Associates. They pay up to 10% commission. Then you've got ClickBank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, Target, Best Buy, Shopify, Fiverr, loads more. I'd suggest having a range of products at different price points. Cheaper items are, on the face of it, easier to sell, but if all you're getting is 50% of $20 sales, you're going to need an awful lot of sales to make your fortune out of those $10 commissions. So don't be afraid to have a $500 or even higher price point offer in your arsenal. Once you build up your marketing campaigns, a few commissions of $250 or more each month can really start to add up fast. Make your offers related so you can stick with your audience. Don't sell dog collars in one offer and then a television set from Amazon in the next. Now here's a pro tip beginners don't realize. When you apply, most programs ask for a website. You can put your YouTube channel link, even if you haven't posted yet. Even if you have 0 subscribers, you can still get approved. Once you're in, you'll get a unique affiliate link. Amazon even gives you a little tool called SiteStripe, so you can generate links directly from their product pages. Then you place those links in your video descriptions. 2 really important compliance notes here. You must disclose your affiliate links clearly. Amazon requires at least 3 qualified sales in your first 180 days, or they'll remove you. If you meet those conditions, your commissions get sent automatically, usually once a month, through PayPal, Payoneer, or direct bank transfer. So that's the full 3-step search strategy. Use targeted search traffic. Create value-based user-generated videos. Add affiliate links properly. That's how you start earning commissions without building an audience first and without getting crushed by AI-generated blog content. If you found this useful and you want more straightforward, real-world online income strategies like this, nothing hyped, nothing gimmicky, then go ahead and subscribe. I've got loads more videos coming on this exact topic. Stay tuned, and let's build something real together.